Take 27 of probably what's going to be another restart. Hello, guys. Welcome back. It's been a while since I have made a video, and I'd like to explain by letting Trevin explain. Okay, you know what? Never mind, because Trevin's not listening.
For my man to be out here freaking not posting.
It's because of the coronavirus, okay?
Well, yeah.
You don't have to act all cringy.
Alright guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video.
I'm Ash.
Yeah, well, I'm Mason, nerd.
Okay.
I'm the muffin man.
I'm a survivor. Give me the muffin. I want a muffin.
Nah.
The one time I'm not a twin. We're gonna continue with this video all throughout.
That's what your bio used to say. Look, they're a subber. They're a survivor.
Muffin.
Meme.
Muffin. Imagine
I
muffin.
don't see you.
Murderer, wishing you good luck. I'm the murderer. I don't wish you good luck. I wish.
Because I'm the murderer, and not the muffin man.
What?
Huh? Nothing.
Okay, if you're the muffin man, tell me. If you're the murderer, tell me.
Yes.
Okay, so you're the murderer. Okay.
No, I'm not. I'm the muffin man.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Then give me a muffin. If you're the muffin man, then give me a muffin.
Okay.
Who are you? You said you're like Mason or someone.
I'm Mason.
Where's Mason at?
Doing a circle.
Y'all suck.
A circle.
You're Veronica. Where did
Here,
it go?
find this shelf. Well,
Nah. I'm just gonna annoy the frick out of whoever this is. You better give me a muffin, because I'm Ash from Pokemon.
okay, I'm gonna give you. Let's see here. Yeah, Ash. Yeah.
Swear if you kill me, I will grab you by the foot.
You get the muffin?
Nope, not yet. Did you misclick?
I must have. I must have misclicked.
Pressing 1.
I must have. Yeah, I misclicked. My bad.
Okay, yeah, you're definitely the murderer, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
Show me your screen now.
What? You want to see my screen?
Yeah, I want to see your screen.
Very shady.
Yeah, you're definitely the murderer, aren't you?
I'm not the murderer. I misclicked, okay? You better not vote me.
What evidence then, huh, punk?
I'll give you a muffin next time.
After they vote, the player with the most votes roles will be revealed.
Yo,
If the
Aiden,
survivors vote
listen.
correctly, they win.
Aiden, listen. Don't vote for me, please.
I'm gonna vote for you, but you're probably the murderer, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
You're the muffin man, aren't you? Here's
I'm the muffin man.
Alright, Austin.
And I am stuck. Never mind. But yeah, no, I am the muffin man. I promise.
Select someone to, okay. Mason, Marley, Allie, Veronica. I vote Veronica because Veronica's kind of an annoying name.
I might as well pick wrong.
To kill, probably. You gave Annie the muffin.
Oh, yeah. See, it was right next to your name. I'm not the murderer.
Bet.
Oh, it's on the table.
Comment, hey, on Trevin's newest video, comment, good vid. See, I'm supporting you. How many likes, hey, go over to Trevin's YouTube channel and get him up to like 1 million subscribers so he can do face cam and be all self-aware about his face. I'm kidding.
Okay, I'm probably never gonna hit 1,000,000 subs. But if I do, fine. I'll do face cam.
I'll do face cam at some point, but it'll only be in streams.
It's never gonna happen.
Allie's the murderer.
I'm never hitting 1,000,000.
Wait, is Allie
Never
the
hitting
murderer?
1,000,000.
Oh, Allie. Oh, Allie.
Allie, more like Capali.
Allie more like an ally.
Oh,
We won Flickr.
there.
Hey, look, a 5-minute video. Let's end it here.
Should we make it 10-minute?
Yeah, let's make it 10-minute. You are all. Where's the exit?
How
By
was
the
the
way?
murderer?
Dude,
Wow.
hey, did this is the window the exit or something? Where's the?
Are we
exit?
allowed to exit? Where? Where's the door? Oh.
Oh, well, I guess the door was like down the toilet or something.
Alright, well, we're gonna play more.
We're gonna play one more game, and if
No, but Rillo, I was actually the Muffin Man. I just wanted to, like, trick you, so I clicked Allie. I wanted you to think I was the murderer.
yeah, are you queued up?
No. I see you.
Am I jumping?
Sit there, fat, ugly turtle. I'm coming.
Where are you, dude?
I'm queued up.
Oh, okay. Hey, what's up, man?
Nah. Everything is awful. Everything is awful.
Hey, dude, what does PC mean?
Personal computer.
What does PC mean in
Hold
a
up.
stupid way?
Hold up, Caden. Let me sing this really good song. Everything is awful. Everything is awful because of COVID-19. Everything is awful. And now we're stuck in quarantine. So how do you like it? What?
Wow, dude, that was a good song. I'm Jackson.
I'm Trey.
Trey, more like Trayvin.
Woo! But for real, how'd you like my song?
Well, I'm a
medic.
survivor again.
I'm a medic.
Save me.
I will.
I'm Yellow. I'm Mr. Yellow. Jackson, more like Mr. Yellow.
How did you like?
What?
How'd you like the song?
Bro, the song is wonderful. Hey, dude, did you know that PC stand for two things? It meant personal computer and what else? Okay, Sabrina's acting sus already.
Piece of Corona.
No. Hey, what am I doing right now on the toilet? Making pile
Sitting.
of crap. Yeah, dude.
You're
Okay,
sitting
wait.
on the toilet.
I was sitting on the toilet. Okay, whoever this Dora up there probably is acting suspicious, whatever her name is. Yeah, she's trying to hide her name. Yeah, okay, we need to be like the investigators. Trey's acting a little suspicious.
That's me.
I know, but you're acting a little suspicious. I think
Someone
Trey
said
is the
the
medic.
virus.
I think Trey's the medic, you know. Here, protect me. I'm Jackson.
You're Dawkin.
Nah, I'm Jackson.
Jack in the box.
It's time for the murderer to play Uno. Oh wow, Sabrina just gave me like a freaking slap. Wait, who tried to attempt to get killed? The lights have been turned back on. Let's look for the person. Okay, wait. Look. I wanna find.
Wait, me?
I wanna be fined. Cooper, get out of my room.
I'm sleeping.
Oh, yeah,
fish.
the fish. The fish died. Where am I? Where did I go? Wait.
I was just putting the earth.
So he's been laid on the coffee
Be
table.
quiet. Hey, what?
My man got laid on a coffee table and died.
He had a few drinks. He's just sleeping. He's sleeping.
Yeah, here, let me wake him up. Hey, idiot.
Yeah, let's wake him up real quick.
Idiot.
Yeah.
Ooh, the house goes. I wonder who it is, bro.
He's sleeping.
I know everyone's just jumping on him because he's fat. Yes.
Yes. Yes, or like no. Okay.
Nah, I'm gonna say nah in all caps. Just to check.
Okay. Who is this person on top of the fridge?
Well, maybe not all caps.
Who is she?
She's nah.
From the YouTube channel. Oh, so like someone to be the murderer. Wait, who is Mary? I bet she's Mary, isn't she?
And the freak is Dora.
Yeah, I'm voting Mary.
Yeah, it is Mary because look, everyone else. There's
Yeah.
Annie.
That's Mary.
Well, it has to be Mary. She's hiding her name.
You should hide your name so no one will suspect her. Sabrina is like being quiet.
Oh, Annie's the investigator.
I bet Annie's the investigator.
Okay.
Wow.
Wait, aren't you Jackson?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I can't save you from
Yeah.
being voted out.
I have to deliver my motivational speech.
Well, it's incorrect. Uh-uh.
Yep, so
Hey, now
I'm
you're
dead. Again.
Well, that's okay. I'll win the
She
game.
is Mary. Door on top of the fridge is Mary.
She's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me. Help me! Stop! I'm gonna go! I'm gonna die! Help! Stop it! Stop it!
Bro, she has like an extremely short barrel.
Can I save myself?
Like 5 suppressors on it or something.
Wait, can I save myself?
Probably.
Okay. That's how you always win. Just become the medic and then always win.
What the? Hold on, wait, stand still. Not right there, but like where I can see your name. Wait, look at this. Look, oh, never mind. The Y would turn into a T if you did the do.
If you flip the Y and the T around. Kelf, I don't care if anyone else dies. Who am I? I forgot my name.
You're Trey.
No, I can't. I can save Thomas. I can save. You know what? You know what I'm gonna save? I'm gonna save Thomas. Cause bros gotta be bros, right?
What? Why didn't you
Bro.
save me?
Cause you're
Why
dead.
No, I'm not. How dare you?
Well, I don't think I died, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm not dead. Imagine I actually saved her. Nope. Hey, Thomas, but- Let's see. Oh my! I actually did, dog.
Nice.
It's Annie. No, it's not. It's 100% that Chico on the freaking fridge.
Mary. Say it's Mary.
No! It's Mary!
Say it's Mary because she's hiding her name. Say that. Say that. Say it's Mary because
No.
she's hiding her name.
I'm literally the medic.
She's AFK on top of a fridge.
I swear. I promise.
Fine. You sure
I'm
you're
the
fine?
medic.
I was a survivor, so.
Thank you. Like, dude, it's freaking Mary.
She's probably on a call. Mary and Elena, or however you say that name.
I don't know.
They're probably on a call. They're probably on a call like us. So she's like, okay, I'm gonna hide up here. I'm gonna pretend to be AFK. You're gonna say, oh, she's AFK.
It's Mary.
Hey, I wonder what happened if there's like a maxed out Flickr server, but everybody chose to roll as a male. What would happen?
Nah, too bad. Dude, I swear if I get... I'm literally the medic, bro.
You're gonna get voted out, and then I'm gonna have to end the video on a boring note.
And if I get voted out...
Rosalina. It's legit not though. It's Mary.
What should actually be Rosalina?
The conclusion is...
Dude,
Dude, that's the conclusion. Dot, that's the conclusion.
Dude, that's a good conclusion.
Dude, I'm gonna use that in my paragraph that I have to work on this week. As my conclusion.
Incorrect. Whoa, really? It's freaking Mary. Yo, it has to be Mary, bruh.
What?
Look at it. It has to be Mary, bruh.
You went, bleep. It has to be Mary, bruh.
Yo, I like how yo is a bad word. Yo. It's two bad words. See if I can make my name.
Stop cursing. Please.
I do, look, my name doesn't exist. It's gone. What's my name? Marley. GG. GG. Good game, guys. That's what that stands for.
No, it doesn't. It stands for Gary's
giant guacamole.
Gary's giant guac. No, it stands for Gary's Good Grills.
Gary's Good Greens.
This video was sponsored by Gary's Good Greens.
Alright, who do I want to save from death?
Probably Thomas again.
Yo, bros gotta be bros, bro.
I like how you're just staring at a wall.
I am. I can't see anything. I can see that fire. I'm gonna go. I look very spook. That's what I look. I was very spook. Well, they killed me. I swear, it's Mary, dog. It's literally Mary.
Let's spectate this match out.
It's Mary.
I'm gonna spectate this match out. I'm gonna spectate freaking.
Bro, it's 100% Mary. Wait, I want to see how I died.
Yeah, me too. Oh, you were shoved under the bed.
Well, why am I spectating Sabrina?
Bro, it's freaking Mary. Like, I bet she probably is. No, like, if she was AFK.
Died.
Bro, I swear, if Mary's the murderer, then.
No, who did you spectate? No, who did you spectate? After you died.
You.
Like instantly. Who did it instantly take you to?
I don't even remember. Y'all can like y'all can like rewind the video and figure that out, but I don't know.
If it was Sabrina, then Sabrina's the murderer. That's why I'm spectating now.
It's not him. It's Sabrina. Okay, how do you know? You're probably on a call with freaking Marlon or whoever her name is.
Oh, okay.
Thomas, it's Mary. See? Thomas has a big brain. No, vote Sabrina. I swear, Thomas.
Probably Mary. But it could be. It's either Mary or Sabrina. But like, I'm 90% sure
bro,
it's
she's
Mary.
the INVS whatever. However you spell investigator.
It's Mary. Oh, now y'all are believing me. Idiots.
Dude. said she was AFK though. What's up, kid?
What is the up, dog?
What the up? Shut the up.
What is the up of the dog, brother?
Shut the up, Mary.
It's time to see the house believes it. Who's gonna die?
If it's Mary, then if it's Mary, then whoever that kid is, who was it?
It's 100% Mary. Cause why would she kill me? Cause she knows that I was the medic.
It might be Elenia.
It's freaking yeah. The house believes it's Mary. Cause it is.
Listen, the conclusion is.
Whoa, I wonder if it's gonna be right or wrong.
Freaking Elena. It's freaking a sped, probably.
See you later, Mary. Oh, you're dead, nerd. Nerd.
Huh? I thought it was so too. Okay, it's Elena. It's Elena.
Yeah, Sabrina then. Wow.
She figured out you were the medic.
How was it not freaking Mary, bruh?
She figured. You told her you were the medic, right? So she killed
I had
you
to because everyone was. The entire server was trying to vote me out. So I was like, yeah, dog, I'm literally the freaking. I'm the freaking, and you're the non-freaking nerds. Y'all are idiots.
Yeah.
Well,
it's
it's Sabrina.
Me,
Bro, if it's not Sabrina, then I give up.
Dude,
no one's the
okay. What's her face? Annie keeps saying she's the investigator. Okay, if you're the investigator, start investigating then. Like, jeez. That's legit all she says. She says, I'm the investigator.
Bills.
I am the or like she spaces it out because she's like probably 2 years old on Roblox, and it's
here. Listen, this is gonna be very loud.
I'm sorry for headphone users about that. Yeah, we're just gonna take the mic away from you real quick.
Give it back!
I'm very kid. It's time for the murder to play. If they kill Thomas, then it...
Whoa, guys, I wonder who died.
Yo, it's Elena. Wait, Elena left.
A freaking freaker.
Elena must have been the freaking... Okay. It's narrowed down to 3 girls.
Yo, I guarantee the murderer is a girl.
I bet it's Sabrina. She probably hasn't, I don't think she's talked this entire time. Either she's 3 years older or she's one of 3 things.
Ugly,
she's a
fat,
murderer and she's acting suspicious. She doesn't know how to talk. Or she's a 3-year-old and, like, doesn't know how to spell anything. So she just doesn't talk.
Or she's so... Never mind.
Thomas, she wasn't the murderer. Oh, gosh. That sucks. Her. But it really doesn't. I bet it's either Sabrina or Marley, because Annie's probably the investigator. Admit it, who is it? I swear, shut your mouth.
It is Sabrina looking ugly.
Bro, what in the world is on Sabrina's face? It's like the sun god or something.
Stains.
Bro, Sabrina's got like some sort of like sun god tattoo on her or something.
Some butt.
Golden crap on her. She got into the glitter and the glue.
Skid marks.
I made skid marks today all over the driveway. But it wasn't like that. It was with a freaking go-kart.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Because I totally just like take a fat dump on the driveway, like out in the open. Sure.
You probably did, Kaden.
I didn't. My mom okay, whatever. It's time to vote. Survivor.
You don't just say, yo, I just made some skid marks on the freaking driveway, bro.
My brother freaking pulled his pants down and took a dump on my toe.
Okay, well, I wonder who the murderer was. I wonder who the murderer is. The murderer, you know the murderer.
Survivors will now be promoted to select their location.
See, the house believes this is the murderer.
Ow!
the murderer, Caden?
Hey,
Who
I
do you
think
think?
it's the fish guy. Because the fish guy's
Yeah,
probably
the
still-
fish guy's been very asleep for a long time.
Yeah. He's probably just
He's
sleeping.
been very
at night.
scared. He's been very scared for a very long time, Fair.
His eyes have stayed open the whole time too. So. How does Sabrina walk around with her eyes closed? That's what I'm asking. The conclusion is. Wait, who did they even vote out?
Sabrina.
Oh. No.
No. Dot. Correct.
Sabrina, you nasty little slug.
You nerd. You idiot. You killed millions of people, and it's all your fault.
Yeah, she's just.
Go. You're.
And she doesn't even say anything. She's probably typing some long paragraph that's probably gonna get sent.
Oh yes, you guys have found my secret.
You have one flicker. Nice.
Do you now? Do you now? Do you hear now, brown cow? Tell me what do you now means. JK. What, do you now? JK.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Alright guys, hopefully everyone enjoyed today's video, and bye.
Okay. I guess. Is that gonna be the outro?
No, do your outro right now.
It better not be. That's a horrible outro.
Bye, idiot.
Yeah, that's totally gonna be the outro in the future. It's not.
Yeah, whenever he gets famous, he's just not even gonna like care about what you guys want. He's just gonna upload videos of him killing people and say bye, idiots, when he's done.
Bye, idiots. Waiting for the police to come.
Yeah. And then he'll say, alright, first one to comment on my video dies. Address in the comment the first. Comment your credit card info in the comments below, guys. You get free.
Don't
Get
you?
free views.
You get free. Dang darns.
You get free ding darns.
Imagine if cavemen did YouTube.
If what?
If cavemen got a sponsor on YouTube, use code
Who?
cavemen. They'd be like, okay, use code ooh for your next 15% off on car insurance.
Use code. Use code Sweetie Swooey.
No, you use code
Use code. No. Use code. You use code Smelly Diarrhea for 15% off your delicious lobster meal.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Alright, guys.
Alright, guys. End the video.
Everything is awful. Everything is awful because of COVID-19. Everything is awful. And now we're stuck in quarantine.